Hello guys, today we are back with another video, and this time it's not football boots. I've got some Nike trainers that we went to the Nike store and we ordered them to come in, and we collected them from the store and came in this box. So now I'm going to open it. And they are Nike Air Vapormax Maxes, as you can see, and I got them in size 5.5, just like my football boots. So now I'm going to open them. Okay, so like I really like how there's like little pockets of air on the bottom. They look really nice. This is Vapormax over there. And now I'm going to try them on. Okay, so now I'm going to put them on and show you how they feel and if we should buy them or not. Okay, so these are the same size as my football boots, which are also 5.5. So that's why I got 5.5 in these trainers, and so my other trainers are like 5. So I got half size up, and they feel really nice, and the top bit is like really stretchy, and there's a cotton swoosh at the front, and it's very snug over around this area, but has a little bit of space for me to grow hair since I'm still growing, and it feels like really like I feel like my foot feels higher because the shoes don't normally have these bubble bits on them. So that's quite good because like I'm really tiny, and there's like a different range of textures on the sides and top of the shoe. So like over here it's like quite a soft texture, over here it's like a plasticky, over here it's like a plasticky texture, over here it's like a stretchy one like on football boots. So I think that's really cool. And from the top is the laces actually don't go into the thing like sock boots. They're like got an attachment going around there. I think that's good. And there's this Nike swoosh sticks out. It's not like sewn on like the one over there. So it's like this. So they feel so this is I don't know if this makes a difference, but like if it pushes down on the air or something. But no, that's what it looks like. And I think they look really good in general. And these are from the Nike website, and I saw these, so I went in store and my dad bought them for me. And they were in the Nike lifestyle section, the kids section, or you could get an adult pair, which are a lot more expensive, and these were around 70 to 80 pounds. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.